cryptocurrencies are crashing. But in this video, we'll be exclusively talking about the basic details of Polkadot along with the detailed exact levels wherein you will get a best buy or a best sell. Stay till the end of the video so that you will get a better idea of which level you should go for a buy in Polkadot. And also, welcome back to Moneyverse everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about Polkadot, and also those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We will be coming up with so many stock market and crypto related content. Now let's jump into the screen and see what is Polkadot. So yes, Polkadot is currently trading at $10.87. Okay, so let's first look into what is Polkadot. Polkadot is an open source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just tokens, thereby making a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability seeks to establish a fully decentralized and private web controlled by its users and simplify the creation of new applications, institutions and services. So basic details of Polkadot is what I have said, and also for absolute fundamental details you can go to CoinMarketCap and see what is written about Polkadot. Now let's jump into the price details of Polkadot. So as you can see here, it is currently trading at $10.87 and the price change in the last 24 hours is negative 6.11%. The 24-hour low is $10.42 and the 24-hour high is $11.65. The trading volume in the last 24 hours was $935 million, while the market dominance is 0.89% with the market ranking 10. The market cap of Polkadot is 10.6 billion. And yes, now let's look into the all-time high and all-time low details. So looking into the all-time high, Polkadot has gone up to $49.69 and the all-time low was on August 20, 2020, which was $2.69. The circulating supply of Polkadot is around 976.9 million. Now let's jump into the technical side or the chart. From 7th July 2021, Polkadot has been on a downtrend. From that particular point, it has been drastically coming down, and from on touching $17.714, it has been drastically coming down. $14.686 was a very good support, but that was also broken and it came down again. $13 also acted as a very good support, but again that was also broken because on the previous break during the 23rd June or 23rd June, there was a massive breakdown for all the cryptocurrencies, and at that time also Polkadot touched $13.002 and it tried moving up, but again $17.714 acted as a very good resistance, and from that point it has been coming down. So the important supports were $14.68, then the next was $13.002, and finally it is $10.652. Even though it is trading at $10.872, if this downtrend is continuing, then we might see a very good downfall in Polkadot is what I have to say. Now we have taken the wonder chart because we'll get a better idea. If Polkadot is falling again, we can see where it is going or where it is heading to. So looking into that, yes, $10.652 is acting as a very good support. Now I'll take you to the 1 hour chart because it has been consolidating in the range of around $10.652. If that consolidation is broken, downward trend line is broken, and if it is moving up, then that is fine. Yes, we can get a very good upward movement. But again, if this is broken, this 10.652 is broken, then we might see a very good downward movement in Polkadot, because the next top would be $7.058, which has been tested on 11th January 2021. First week in January has acted as a very good upward movement for so many cryptocurrencies, and Polkadot was one among them. So from that day onwards, it has been trading above $17.71, and from again it was going up drastically, but at $49.69 it took a resistance and it started coming down. $17, $14.6, $13.02, $10.86. These were all very good supports of Polkadot, but again I am just skeptical about if 10.652 is broken, then we might see Polkadot to stop at 7.058, because if 7.05 is also broken, then there will be a downward movement till maybe $5.71, which is not that healthy. If I should say that Polkadot is bullish, then $17.714 has to be broken and it has to move up. But again, 14.686 is a very good resistance. So if that is broken, then 17.714, if that is also broken, only we can see a very good bullishness in Polkadot. So this is what I have to say about the levels of Polkadot, because these are the important levels. Because just consider, if 10.652 is broken and until $7.058 is broken, it is actually a very good buy chance for all the investors. If that is broken, then we might see a further down movement. So till $7.058, Polkadot is actually safe. Even if it breaks the trend line and if it takes a resistance at 13.002, we will still have to be skeptical because there are chances of it to fall down again, or the trend line will be broken again and it will be coming down. So these are the important levels of Polkadot, and if this 17.714 is broken, then we can see a resistance at $19.137, and if that is also broken, then $20 to $21 will act as a very good resistance, is what I have to say. By saying this, I think we have talked about the important levels of Polkadot, and also now let's look into the moving average. Looking into the moving average, I have deployed 50 and 200 moving average here. I'll just delete this trend line. So as you can see here in the 1 hour time frame, okay, in this 1 hour time frame, this yellow line, the yellow line is the 50 moving average and the blue one is the 200 moving average. So the 50 moving average on 10th July 2021, it has crossed over the 50 moving average and it has given a very good downward movement. So when a death crossover happens, that is when a smaller moving average crosses over the bigger moving average, and if it is going down, then that is a death crossover, and the opposite of death is golden crossover. So a very good death crossover has happened here. It tried moving up around 19th July, but again what we can see is a downward movement again. So we'll have to see if this downward movement sustains. If this 10.652 is broken and if it is sustained below that, then we might see a very good downward movement till $7.058, which is actually a safe buy for all the investors. Again, now let's look into the 1 day time frame and see what moving average has to say. The 50 moving average has crossed over the 200 moving average towards the downside, and from that point onwards it has been coming down, and also moving average does not give a positive indication any soon. I don't see a bending in moving average, so we can expect the prices of it to move down further down to $7.058 is what I have to personally say. By saying this, I think we have technically covered almost all the dimensions of Polkadot, and also I think you have got a very good idea about the levels as well. So again, I'll read out the levels. Towards the upward side, 13.002 will act as a resistance, 14.686, 17.714, 19.137 and $21. These will act as very good resistance, and if it is going down, the only support is at $7.058. If that is also broken, then we might see Polkadot to fall down till maybe $5 or something like that, but we will have to see. But again, till sustaining above $7.05, it is a very good buying opportunity. By saying this, I think we are done for the day, and also thanks for watching the video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. We will be coming with so many stock market and crypto content, and also yes, stay tuned and also share it to your friends as well. Thank you.